What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Nissan, whether it's a Nissan Versa or a Nissan GTR, to your garage door in a couple of minutes. To do this, all you're going to need is your garage door remote, or if you're programming a fence, your fence remote. Now, let's get into this. Alright guys, and just in case you are a Nissan GTR owner and you have a 2015, a 2016 GTR like we do, this is a 2016. If you want to follow along, I'm just going to be using all the directions Nissan gave us in our owner's manual. For the GTR owner's manual, this is on page 2-65, if you want to follow along and read at home. Okay, now let's really get into this. Alright guys, so we're inside the GTR. I'm sure it's a little bit noisy with the engine running, but these are your three HomeLink garage door buttons. Joe would climb in here and give them a good look. It's a picture of a house with an arrow in the middle of it, right? Can you see it real good? You might have to turn on the light. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you bought this car brand new, you won't have to do this first step, but if you bought this car used, the previous owner might have synced up some of these buttons to their own garage door. So what you actually want to do is reset this real quick and clear all the saved codes on here, okay? So to do that, all you have to do is hold the two outer buttons, number 1 and 3, for about 30 seconds. When you press it initially, you can see that green light turn red, right? And what's going to happen is after around 20 to 30 seconds, that red light's going to start blinking really fast. There it goes. Can they see it blinking really fast? Yep. That indicates that our HomeLink unit here has now been reset. Everything's been cleared. There's no saved garage codes at all. Now, if you don't have a rolling code garage, this process is pretty easy. You just want to have your garage door transmitter here, and you want to pick whichever button you like the most, whichever one you want to link this to. All you want to do is put one finger on your garage transmitter and one finger on the desired button, and all you do is press them at the same time and hold it down. Now, we're going to do it, and you can see the red light will start blinking slowly, and then once it's synced, it'll start flashing rapidly. Once it starts flashing rapidly, we're able to let go. Do not let go of either of these buttons until it starts flashing rapidly. You see that, Joe? It's flashing rapidly? Okay. Ours is not rolling code, so this should not have worked. Yep, ours is a rolling code, so that is not it. We have additional steps after that. Alright guys, so like I said, if that doesn't work with your garage door, you got like 2 extra steps, and that's because you have a rolling code garage. That's what we have. So what we actually have to do is go to our garage transmitter, or garage, I don't even know what you call this, the main garage motor in your garage, right? And you should have some type of button. It should say smart or program. For us, it's a program set. Can they see that right there? It says program set. It might be upside down for them. Yeah? There you go. Okay, you guys can see that this says program set. So what you have to do is, this is really like a 2-person job. It makes it a lot easier with 2 people. I'm going to have my brother do this with me. Somebody has to press this button for like 1 second. Don't hold it, because then you'll reset all the other cars that you programmed to this receiver. Just press it for like 1 second. Some type of light should start flashing. For us, we have a little indicator light over here. It's purple. Once it starts flashing, you got 30 seconds to hop into your car and continue with the following step, which I'll show you right now. Alright guys, so we're sitting in the GTR here, and I'm just going to explain real quick what we're going to do. Basically, he's going to press that smart or program set button that you're going to have on your garage motor, and after he presses it, like I said, you got 30 seconds, and then all we're going to do is come in here. Gosh. We're going to come in here, and we're going to hold and release whichever button we want to program to this garage head, and we're just gonna hold it for 2 seconds, release, hold it for 2 seconds, and release, hold it for 2 seconds, and release, and pretty soon it should sync itself with the garage motor. So let's give it a shot here. Joe, press the button. Good. All right. So like I said, we're just gonna press, release, press, release. And release. There it goes. Okay. Yep. So it's all synced up now, and we can just press this button. Gosh, the lighting in here is terrible for you guys. Yep, there you go. You can press it, and you can see I press it, and my garage door goes up now. So, like I said, guys, that's literally straight from the owner's manual. If this doesn't work, you might be going a little too slow, because this whole process does need to be done a little quickly. Or you might have missed a step or done something wrong, but this is the exact directions from Nissan. It should work for you guys. All right, guys, so like I said, that's all there is to it. This should be the exact same process regardless if you have, you know, a Nissan Titan, Versa, Altima, Maxima, or a GTR, and it should be the exact same process if you have any Infiniti model, because they're made by Nissan. And honestly, it's the same process for a lot of other models, because really what it is a home link system to connect to the garages, but it should all be identical and work exactly the same way. As always, I hope you guys found this video entertaining. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I hope it helped you guys. And with that, I'll see you guys next video.